Are you tired of sending emails that just don't look right in your subscribers' inboxes? Today, I'm going to show you how to send a test email in Klaviyo to make sure that your emails look perfect every time. Did you know that one small mistake in your email can cost you countless leads? Stick around and learn the step-by-step process to avoid those costly errors and ensure your emails always hit the mark. I'm Eric from Strategic Email, and in today's video, we're going to be deep diving into Klaviyo's test email feature. Whether you're sending a campaign or setting up a flow, testing is critical to avoid embarrassing mistakes like broken links or incorrect formatting. We're going to go to the Klaviyo homepage and we're going to click on campaigns. We're going to click create campaign button here. I'm going to call this test email 3. The audience, I'm going to send this to my entire email list. I'm going to turn on tracking. I'm going to push next. View template library. Choose that. I'm going to choose that. Once we have our template set up, we need to choose the subject line. I'm going to call the subject line test email 3. And then I'm going to say preview text is test. I'm going to click edit. And now I'm going to click preview and test in the upper right hand corner. So this preview mode, we're just looking at desktop. It looks good right now. On mobile, it looks good. I'm going to make sure that it looks good when it's actually on my phone. So I'm going to go to send test, and I'm going to send it to myself. And then we're going to say send. We just sent out our test email. We can check it in our inbox. We're going to click on next. You can either send it out right now or schedule it by clicking next, or we can exit and save this as a draft. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and exit. I'm going to show you how to send a test email from a flow. So on the left-hand side, we're going to click on flows. We're going to go ahead and choose one of a live flow. We're going to click on the 3 dots in one of the emails. Click on edit. We're going to click on edit email, and it looks good to me. We're going to go to preview. Same thing as the campaign. We're going to scroll down. It looks perfectly fine to me, and this looks good. But let's make sure to send off a test email. So you're going to click this send a test button right here. And again, we're going to put in my email address, if I could type correctly. Click on send, test message sent successfully from the flow. We're going to click done, and then we're going to click exit. I'm going to click done. We are good to go with our flow. For those of you who want to go the extra mile, you can use a third-party software to see how your email renders across all different email service providers like Apple, Google, and Yahoo, for those of you who still use Yahoo or MSN. Here are some common mistakes to watch out for with your test emails. Make sure the subject line is readable. Sometimes some emojis can break the subject line and show up as question marks. Also check that all the links work, make sure that any videos work, and verify that all the merge tags are populating correctly. And make sure to proofread your content. If you found this video helpful, click the link in the video description below to sign up for my free email newsletter, where I share tips, tricks, and strategies to help you improve your email marketing game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.